Hello everyone, in this video I will be going over how to check if an iPhone is genuine. So let's get started. First, open your settings and click on General. Tap on About. Here, you will find essential information like the serial number and model number. Copy the serial number and head to your browser. Search on iPhone serial number checker. Click on the first one that appears. Paste the serial number, enter the provided characters, and click Submit. The website will verify the details and confirm if your iPhone is genuine. Remember, if you encounter discrepancies like an iPhone 12 showing as an iPhone 11 or your serial number being untraceable, there's a high chance that the device might not be authentic. Always prioritize using official and reliable sources for verification to avoid potential scams. By following these steps, you can confidently ensure that your iPhone is genuine, safeguarding yourself against counterfeit products and ensuring a secure and enjoyable user experience. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.